All right, here's my circuit. My what's this thing called?
VU meter.
This is my VU meter. So you can see all the lights are off right now. And that's because this is fully counterclockwise right now. If I go to potentiometer, start going clockwise, which puts more voltage on 2. There, the first one goes on. As I keep turning. Second one goes on. Keep going. Oops. And the third one goes on. And then keep going. And once we're all the way or close to all the way clockwise, the fourth one turns on. Then if I go back the other way, fourth one turns off. And keep going, third one turns off. And keeps going just like that. Second one off. And all back off.